Hello everyone, I have exciting news in my channel. I was looking for IDE to program my board and find out embeetle software, but unfortunately they didn't support exactly this board, and I contacted them to ask if they can add it, but instead they sent me another board that they do support. It's also from Giga device, so I will experiment with this board. And not only that, they sent me a lot of more boards that they support, so I can test the embeetle software with them. So let's open up this. Yes. Yeah, and look at that. Look. Very big board. So of course Arduino. It's a dual board. Arduino Nano board from ST devices, Nucleo board, Arduino Nano, Mouser Electronics, that's Arduino Nano. Well, ST-Link and Nucleo. Well, a lot of boards. NRF 52833, it's wireless. Okay, and our Arduino. NXP board. And this one pretty cool. This have big display. So ST32F7 and another NXP. And pretty cool. I can play with it. I also brought on AliExpress this big board. Yeah, it have a lot of things you can play around. Here you can plug in ESP32, and here you can plug in Nano board, and here it's also have connection for shields and stuff, and all other stuff, infrared receiver, button, buzzer, a clock, and a display. So please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more cool things like this. And of course we need to investigate all these boards. So stay tuned and bye.